Don't miss this 2011 Buick LaCrosse. It's equipped with automatic transmission and features a quicksilver metallic exterior. With 21,315 miles, you'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Contact Hertrich Chevy Dodge at 888-402-6810 and see this vehicle firsthand.